Ever felt frustrated not having enough space for your gardening dreams? This is a common struggle, particularly for those living in urban areas with limited outdoor room. But worry not, because container gardening is here to rescue your green thumb. So, what exactly is container gardening? It's a gardening method where plants are grown in containers rather than in the ground. It's a fantastic way to bring nature into compact spaces, offering a green thumb solution for those with limited space. It's a perfect solution for those of us with limited gardening space, don't you think? Ready to start your container garden? Here's how. First things first, choosing the right containers. They can be as simple as a pot or as creative as an old wheelbarrow. Just ensure they have good drainage to keep your plants healthy. Next, select suitable soil. A high-quality potting mix is essential as it provides the nutrients your plants need. Then, it's time to pick the right plants. Consider the light, temperature, and humidity of your space. Some plants thrive in full sun, others in shade. Lastly, proper placement and care. Place your containers where they'll get the right amount of sunlight, and remember to water and feed them regularly. With the right steps, you can have your own green space, no matter how small. Let's recap on what we've learned today. Container gardening is a fantastic solution for those who face the challenge of limited space. It's about growing plants in containers, which can be anything from traditional pots to creative upcycled items. Starting your own container garden is a simple process. It involves choosing the right containers, selecting suitable plants, and ensuring proper care with watering and sunlight. The beauty of container gardening is its flexibility and adaptability. It allows you to cultivate a variety of plants in a small area, bringing nature into your home or balcony. Remember, a small space shouldn't hinder your gardening dreams. With container gardening, you can create your own green oasis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!